Okay guys, welcome back to the island vlog here in Siargao Island. Today I'm here with JC. JC, come on. So it's your first time in the north, right?
Yeah, first time in Siargao.
Actually guys, we arrived yesterday. We stay here for one night. So we explore the island. And where are you from again?
Canada.
Canada.
Montreal.
So she's from Canada, and also she stay at USurf, the hostel, because we have a hostel. So if you want to book a hostel, private room, we have. And right now, so we're going to Tak Tak Falls. So we stop with this beautiful view. This is our view right now. Beautiful, it's really
Beautiful
good.
view. No bad.
Just only us. So today's Sunday. It's so rainy, but thankfully the weather is so good now. But today guys, we are going to Tak Tak Falls, falls in Siargao in the north. So if you come to to the falls, you're going to the north. So we have a bike. It's our bike now. And by the way guys, I have new tattoo. Really good. And she have a lot of tattoo. Show your tattoo.
I'm ready to swim. It's
You're
hot.
the same. It's so hot. So, alright guys, see you. It's good view. Look our view now. Kakain muna kami guys ng street foods ni Ante. Kwek ni Ante. How much they? 55. It's like egg, but you are vegetarian, right? But all you want to do is fresh cocoa. Boko. It's really good. Yeah, Boko juice. Yan na isa. Try it. What do you think?
So good. So fresh.
Tell me the truth. Don't lie. It's our view, guys. In the north now with JC. First time to going to falls. We are now guys in Tak Tak Falls.
In 600 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Te. You're excited? Wow, mini local, so you're beautiful. And your tattoo like it. Ay! Ay, kayawa. And Tak Tak Falls. It's cold.
Yay.
I sleep.
Yeah.
I'm the island boy. And you're not the island girl.
Not Multiple is 50 pesos.
50 pesos only.
Only 50 pesos.
Yeah. Going here na.
Whoa.
Jump. jump there.
I didn't have my bag, but my bag.
You put here things. So guys, we are now Tak Tak Falls. What do you think? Good? Good.
Everything here. So beautiful. It's a big fall, huh?
Huh?
Really big fall.
Yes.
Scary.
Have everything. Jesse! Come on! She enjoyed the falls, guys. Look the view. So di ako makaligo guys dahil may bagong tattoo ako. Yung tattoo ko guys. Like 2 days. So I can swim, I can surf now. Oh my god guys. Umakyat siya. Anyway, how are you? The you know,
So refreshing.
so refreshing.
The water is cold.
The water's cold. Yeah,
It's cold, but it's good.
it's good.
Scary.
You jumped there, huh? I can't believe you can jump. Hindi ako mapaniwala. You jump.
It's nice because you're underneath the waterfall.
Underwater waterfall. So after this, we're going to another view, like Little Hawaii, like I surprise you later.
Going to Hawaii.
We're going to Hawaii. Yeah.
Little Hawaii.
Yeah. I picture flowers for me, not you. Oh,
Me with the flower. Yeah, this is my Hawaiian style.
Hawaiian style.
Yeah, because we're going to Hawaii.
Yun sa Hawaii.
It's the little.
Filipino. It's called Bodbo. What do you think?
It's coconut and rice.
Yeah.
Jelly. It's cool. I like.
You like it? We are now in Little Hawaii in Siargao. Is you know, this view. Slow tide, but later it's really good because the wave is so big and it's nice to see. Welcome to our Little Hawaii. Yeah. Good view. Wow. Good waves.
Big.
Wow, look at the view guys, it's so good. Hey! So guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, if you come to Siargao, we have also like aside from Little Hawaii. If you see this spot, the mountain view is like 5 minutes walk. So you can you know, walk there and see the, you know, the good view. It's really nice here also. So it's first time right to see the view. So let's go. We have entrance fee there, but it's like 30 pesos or 50 pesos for the, you know, for the tourists. And this is our view now. Gaano kaganda guys, look. Go there. Is it good? Fresh coco. Okay, more. Again. Wow. Fresh coco, because you're a vegetarian, it's good for you. Hey, you ready? Come here. Yeah. It's good? Wow, look the view, guys.
The plants, the view,
The plants, the view,
the boy.
the boy, me. Come here. Wow.
I love this. And words are in the wild.
So you need to like go upstairs. See the view. Hey, na, everything.
Whoa!
Wow, look. So it's good.
Yes, it's really beautiful.
So guys, this is the view of Secret Mountain and kabila lang sa Little Hawaii, and this is the waves. So it's really good watching the sunset later, but we have no time. We need to leave, right? So it's really good here. Say I love Surigao.
I love Surigao!
No, more. 1, 2, 3, go.
I love Surigao!
What the fuck? I love Surigao! I love it. We're done to the Secret Mountain view and Tak Tak Falls. So what do you think? All the spots.
The view is incredible. Beautiful plants. Beautiful palm tree.
Coconut. Yeah.
Coconut tree.
Coconut. Very good.
Yes.
So okay guys, we're done to our vlog for today with Jessie, and I'm so happy to explore with her and to see the beautiful spot, and yeah. So welcome to the island vlog on Surigao Island. You surf? Say you surf? I got it. You surf. Say bye. Say bye.